The 2026 Toyota Corolla is here, bringing fresh updates and exciting features to one of the world's best-selling cars. Whether you're a longtime fan or considering your first Corolla, this model has a lot to offer in terms of performance, design, and technology. Let's dive into all the details of this new generation Corolla. Starting with the exterior, Toyota has given the 2026 Corolla a more modern and aggressive look. The front fascia is sharper, with a redesigned grille and sleeker LED headlights that give it a more premium feel. The aerodynamic body lines improve both style and efficiency, and new alloy wheel designs add to its sporty character. Toyota also introduces new color options, giving buyers more choices to match their personality. Under the hood, the 2026 Corolla continues to focus on efficiency and performance. It comes with multiple engine options, including an improved 2.0L four-cylinder engine that delivers better fuel economy while maintaining a responsive driving experience. Toyota also offers a hybrid version with enhanced battery technology, making it one of the most fuel-efficient sedans in its class. The hybrid model provides an excellent balance between power and efficiency, ensuring smooth acceleration and a quieter ride. The driving experience is further enhanced with a refined suspension system that absorbs road imperfections while providing precise handling. Whether you're driving in the city or on the highway, the 2026 Corolla delivers a stable and comfortable ride. The continuously variable transmission (CVT) has been fine-tuned to offer quicker response and a more engaging driving feel. Inside the cabin, Toyota has focused on quality and technology. The 2026 Corolla features a more premium interior with soft-touch materials and improved ergonomics. The seats are designed for maximum comfort, with better lumbar support and available heating and ventilation options. The rear seats offer generous legroom, making long journeys comfortable for passengers as well. Technology is another highlight of the new Corolla. It comes equipped with an upgraded infotainment system featuring a larger touchscreen display with faster response times. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, ensuring seamless smartphone integration. The available premium audio system provides crisp and immersive sound, making every drive more enjoyable. Toyota has also added more USB-C ports and wireless charging capabilities, ensuring your devices stay powered on the go. Safety has always been a priority for Toyota, and the 2026 Corolla is no exception. It comes standard with Toyota Safety Sense, which includes features like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, automatic emergency braking, and pedestrian detection. The updated system now has improved sensors and cameras for better performance in various driving conditions. Blind spot monitoring and rear cross traffic alert are available as well, providing extra confidence when changing lanes or reversing. For those who love customization, Toyota offers multiple trim levels, each catering to different preferences. The base model provides all the essential features, while the mid-range trims add more luxury and technology. The sportier XSE trim comes with unique exterior styling, sport-tuned suspension, and paddle shifters for a more dynamic driving experience. The hybrid models come with distinct design elements to set them apart while maintaining the same stylish appeal. Toyota has also ensured that the 2026 Corolla remains an affordable option in its segment. With competitive pricing and excellent fuel efficiency, it continues to be a smart choice for budget-conscious buyers looking for reliability and modern features. The hybrid variant, in particular, is expected to attract more eco-conscious drivers who want to reduce their carbon footprint without compromising on convenience. Overall, the 2026 Toyota Corolla continues its legacy of reliability, efficiency, and affordability while adding more technology, safety, and style. Whether you're looking for a daily commuter, a fuel-efficient hybrid, or a sporty sedan, the new Corolla offers something for everyone. Let us know in the comments what you think about the new Corolla and if you'd consider getting one. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more automotive content. See you in the next video.